Today we're checking out the BenQ GP524K HDR LED Home Projector, a compact powerhouse built to turn almost any room into a true big screen experience. Right out of the box, what stands out is the sharp 4K UHD resolution at 3840 by 2160. Images look incredibly detailed, and with HDR10 Plus support, you get brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and more lifelike contrast. With 2,600 lumens of brightness, it holds up impressively well even when there's some ambient light in the room. Color performance is another highlight. BenQ's cinematic color tuning delivers rich, natural tones that make movies and shows feel immersive, whether you're projecting at 60 inches or going all the way up to a massive screen size. Setup is refreshingly simple. Autofocus and automatic keystone correction quickly square up the image, so you're not stuck fiddling with angles. It even adjusts for wall color, helping maintain accurate visuals without needing a dedicated screen. For gamers, HDMI 2.1 and auto low latency mode help keep input delay minimal, making fast-paced titles feel smooth and responsive. Overall, the BenQ GP520 combines crisp 4K visuals, strong brightness, and easy setup into one versatile home theater solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.